Wow, look at this guy all the way in the back. Alfa Romeo Giulia Super. Very boxy Italian design. 4-leaf clover on the side. Look at that. Brown leather interior. Jeez, look at that manual transmission. This is a pretty cool classic.
Hey everyone, this is David at Finish Line Factory. I'm here at Lusso Motorsports for their quarterly Supercars and Lattes car show. And they have all kinds of cool stuff. They have you can see in the back there's a Rolls Royce, AMG SLS AMG Black Series. All kinds of cool stuff. Let's go check it out.
Here you go, Huracan Avio showing up. Holy crap. Whole gang of supercars showed up. Got a 570S. Huracan wheel-wheel drive. Oh, there's I think this is the anniversary edition, or oh gosh, what's it called? The endurance edition. Porsche 911. This is basically a special edition that they made to celebrate their win at Le Mans a few years ago. And came in GT4. Look at that. Check this out. Tiny little Fiat 400. It's got the interior redone. Look at that. Geez, it's got so many gauges on it. Oh, it's got a sunroof. Look at that. So it looks like the interior. There's a little badge on it that says Gianni, I think. Oh, okay. Giannini 650 NP. Okay, so this is a modified Fiat 500. And I think kind of similar to the Abarth, this may be how the hood actually just sits. On the original Abarth, they found that the car went faster with the hood open. So they actually sold it like this, with a hood that you couldn't close. Or, well, rear bonnet. This is pretty funny. Now, I don't know if the interior would have come like this from the factory, but it's a nice setup. I want to take a closer look at this Vantage because I was actually considering buying one, perhaps in the future as an exotic to play around with. So the engine bay is actually pretty open. See there's pretty decent access to the coils and spark plugs on the side, so that's not a pain in the butt. The alternator's on the bottom. Can't really see it, but it's down there. That's pretty easily accessible. As you can see, most of the hoses and all this stuff is exposed, so it doesn't require a lot of work. It's got a dry sump oiling system, so that takes a lot of oil, but it's not too bad. It's not too. It's just a different oil change procedure. It's not your typical just drain and fill. Yeah, the intakes seem to go down into the fender, so changing the air filters might be a problem, but you'll have to do that once in a while. Accessing the belts requires moving all this stuff, but this is just stuff that just unclips and comes off, so that's not a big deal. Not bad. It's actually a very easily maintainable car. So it's pretty good when it's essentially a very, very cool Ford, which is good because then it's reliable. And then this one has these really nice leather seats, brown leather seats. Oh, completely brown leather interior. Look at that. So this is a Vantage S. This looks like it's a facelifted model. So this is a 4.7 liter V8. I think it makes about 4 and change. You get the camera in the interior. Look at this. These seats are in really good condition. There you go. I love this right here. Probably has that crystal key. Oh, this one has a carbon fiber side vent, which I believe is functional. And it's white with black wheels. Alright guys, everybody's left. I got a couple of boxes of donuts with me. I guess they over-ordered it, so we got a few to take home. So if you like that, subscribe. Be sure to leave a comment if you have a suggestion or something, and I'll catch you guys later. See you.